Hello friends, welcome to the course on Sap2000 tutorial, and in this course we will learn how to model this building, and after modeling we'll learn how to design this building as well. Okay, so for learning this course I'll be using an example of a real life building, and we'll learn how to model this building, and we'll learn how to apply the loads on this building, and after that we'll learn how to design the structural members of this building. Okay, after completion of these steps we'll learn how to extract data from SAP 2000 using display options, and we'll also learn how to export those data to Excel for further calculations, right? So here are various options that are present in SAP 2000, right? So we'll learn each and everything that is shown over here one by one, and I hope that this course is helpful to you and you'll learn many things out of it which are helpful to boost your work, your career and your knowledge. Okay, so let's go.